We're finding that they didn't build the wall right. They put the plywood all the way down to the concrete.
Yeah.
This is why we don't put plywood behind Hardie. Okay, so we put some 3/4 inch Hardie trim and use some house wrap over the old plywood. Extended the frame out to include a metal pan, which there was only 2x4s before. We're completed this job in the Woodlands, double replacement door, French door, beautiful glass, low E, gives a better look of the yard, and a lot better than that triple unit that was here before.
Keep your home in its best shape with Mr. Happy House, a local and professional GAF certified roofer and James Hardie Siding installer with over 34 years in business.